So this is our brand new Nexus modular vacuum system. So a couple of really cool things about this system. This is our 6, 9, and 12 gallon medium capacity wet dry vacuums. And what they do is they outperform those 3.5 peak horsepower corded competitors. So they give you that corded power on the battery, so you don't have to deal with cords around the shop, making it super convenient and mobile. This system is also entirely interchangeable. So there's a couple different heads, tanks, carts, and mid-stack components for add-on capabilities. And the entire system is compatible with each other. So you can choose a dual battery head with a bigger tank and a cart with a handle, and the entire system really gives you the flexibility to enhance your cleaning experience, whatever your job is. So we sell the vacuum with a single battery head, a 6-gallon tank, and the standard cart. And that's going to run you about $249. The add-on components range anywhere from $99 to about $150, depending on which component you're purchasing. For the vacuum itself, we recommend either the 8.0 or the 12.0 batteries just to give you that runtime and extend your application. Whereas on the air tip here, any of our smaller M12 batteries, the 1.5 or the 2 amp hour, give you that best ergonomic mobile experience. A couple things that we'll show you here in terms of a demo. So I've got this paired with our M12 Utility Nozzle. So this product is awesome for agitating those car carpets. It runs off an individual M12 battery here, but all the suction is coming from this vacuum. So you'll see I'll turn on the accessory, turn on the vacuum. It makes it super easy without having to go in and manually agitate all that debris. So super awesome product. These are both available today.